heard it's over $250 is what I heard the value.
There's something
is.
in here for $150.
Oh, it's the eye cream.
Oh my goodness.
I heard about this.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Terry and I like to buy stuff, and you found Terry Buy Stuff, and I have Mini Me with me today.
Hi.
It's Amanda's BoxyCharm. And why do we have two boxes?
So starting this month, we have Boxy, the original BoxyCharm, and we have BoxyCharm Premium, which started for November. So the original BoxyCharm box went up to $25 a month due to Premium, and Premium's $35 a month. So if you want the Premium box, you do have to have the original subscription to the original box, but I decided to do both and see how it goes.
Okay, help me understand this, because you are the BoxyCharm girl. Where does Lux fit in all this?
Lux is December. So in December, we're gonna be getting a Lux box, and you will not get the original box, but you'll still get the Premium. So then you're gonna be paying about $80 for the month of December for both boxes. But you're gonna have over $500 in product, so it'll be worth it.
Whoa, all right, so which one do you want to dive into first? And why do you
the original first?
Why do you have an extra thing there?
Okay, yeah, I was gonna say I got this in BoxyCharm this month as well. So when you sign up, every month when you get a box, you need to go onto your account, and you need to look for what you got in your box, and you need to leave a review. Even if it's 3 words, it's still a review, and then your points add up. And so for this month, this is all I saw that I wanted, and I got the Grande Lips Hydra Plump? I can't say that word.
Hydra Plump liquid
Plump.
Lipstick.
Yeah.
Is that like Ariana Grande?
No.
Okay, just the last name threw me off.
Yeah, I think it's Grande. It looks
It's
like
Grande.
Yeah. But this is still expensive. It's like 25 bucks, I think, for a liquid lip, and I've used this company before. It's nice, so it's just something to keep in mind when you sign up for BoxyCharm. You get free items from the charm room.
Yay! We like charmers. All right, let's see what you got.
So then for the original box.
Ooh, I see the card. I will be taking the card so we can see what we have here. Interesting. So it's telling me Boxy Lux, Boxy Pop-Up.
Oh, they canceled Pop-Up, so I don't know when that's going to be coming back. A lot of people were mad.
Okay, never mind. So let's go to the card, and I have the write-up.
Okay, I don't know if this is gonna be on it, but they gave us a Pretty Vulgar Undercover Lightweight Concealer sample, which is interesting because they never give us samples. This is the first time I've had a sample since I've been with BoxyCharm for the past year.
Yeah, there's no write-up.
Yeah, but we'll see how that goes. I'm not a big fan of this brand so far. It hasn't worked with my skin type, but we'll see how that goes. And then Dose of Colors, got a couple of these from them.
I love Dose of Color. It's a liquid matte lipstick, very high fashion matte finish, which envelops lips in a rich, long-wearing color, applies creamy liquid, but a few minutes later it dries ultra comfortable matte finish. The price on that, if you buy it, 18 bucks.
And it's in a date night color, so it's gonna be a dark red. It's neither of our colors, so
that's a gift.
probably gonna be a gift. Yeah, so we just won't open it.
Okay.
Oh, I've heard a lot of good things about this. They're called Starry Eyes. It's an indulgent self-warming eye mask. It warms up in 30 seconds. And everyone on the BoxyCharm Facebook group right now, they're going crazy for this. They're saying that they get rid of migraines, and a lot of people are saying that they're gonna be buying these for life, so I'm excited to try this.
They're actually really affordable, coming in at only $10, and it's from POPBAND.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's at Ulta.
Yeah.
Oh, this I was excited about, the FASALI Rose Gold Mist. You get this at Sephora.
It's rose gold 24 karat skin mist, a 4-in-1 wonder for all skin types, infused with gold flakes, rosehip seed oil, and it's a hydrating alcohol-free mist. $39.
Is it? Let's see. I'm scared.
Pump, pump, pump. Ooh.
Oh, that feels nice.
Ooh. I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little on my... I've been washing a lot today in the house. I'm feeling dry.
I'm gonna try this as a primer tomorrow, see what happens.
Love the scent. That's beautiful.
Yeah, it smells good.
Yes. envelop us in wonderfulness.
That's nice. I haven't tried anything from that brand, so that'll be cool. Let's see, Juice Beauty. I love this brand. You can buy it at Ulta. It is an anti-wrinkle eye treatment.
It's the Stem Cellular.
Neither of us can talk today. I can't talk all day at work.
It's a blend of fruit stem cells, vitamin C, and it's infused in organic, antioxidant-rich botanical juice to reduce the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and minimize the appearance of dark circles. That alone is $50. Wow, what a component.
And this is a nice brand because it doesn't have like all of that bad stuff. It's considered a clean skincare brand.
Look at that component. So you could like place it right on your eyes.
Yeah. So once we pump this and start using it, we gotta use it right away because.
Okay, so I think we're coming into the grand finale of this box, and this is retail value $35. Celestial Thunder. It's vivid pigments, shadows, glittery foils, and there's 8 shades in there to create a colorful eye look of pop of electric color.
So this is by Dominique Cosmetics. It is a YouTuber who started this.
Wow, I like the big pans. That eternal light is beautiful. I would wear that all day long.
Does it look a little crooked to you?
Maybe. Yeah. Might be an optical illusion.
I don't know.
That could be how it wound up in the BoxyCharm box.
Yeah. I have so many eyeshadow palettes, so I might just give this as a gift. I mean, it's not any colors that I don't have, but it looks nice.
So that was the BoxyCharm theme Stellar. So very nice. And now the big one.
So this is the premium box. Everyone is currently talking about this because there's a wait list. So a lot of people are waiting very patiently for it. I think I got it because I signed up the first day it was released.
Of course you did.
I watched their emails like it's gold or something.
I like the box. Let's show them this. Premium. And of course at BoxyCharm or hashtag BoxyCharm with anything that comes in the box.
So then, let's see, this is Stellar. Does it say what the price? I heard.
So it's still Stellar.
I heard it's over $250 is what I heard the value.
There's something in here for $150.
What's the eye cream?
Oh my goodness.
I heard about this. So this is an
that
eye
little
cream.
thing?
It's called QMS. It's based over in the UK. I don't know if the company's based in the UK, but this is where it's being sold.
It's Medi-Cosmetics, meaning like medical type grade. That's what they're trying to sell themselves.
When you go to buy it online though, everything's in European money and you have to like convert it to USA, so.
Whoa.
So this isn't something I would normally buy or something I can't really get unless I go online.
I think that's gonna call for an extra review on its own after she dives in and, you know, let us know. Is that $150 value? Wow.
Got 2 eye creams.
That's exciting.
And then this is Kapari Coconut Rose Toner.
It's vegan, alcohol-free, multitasking toner, and it's gonna keep your redness at bay. It can also be used as a face primer, setting spray, and a quick refresh throughout the day, $25.
I almost bought this the other day, so I'm kind of excited.
It's coconut and rose. I bet it smells amazing.
Yeah, let's see.
Oh, we're gonna do a little. Let's see.
It smells nice. It smells refreshing.
Oh wow, it smells like a spa. It smells
I don't know how it would do as a toner though, because I use toners to get rid of redness. So I mean, we'll
try it.
We'll see.
That's the fun part about BoxyCharm.
And here's a bunch of brushes.
Now this is exclusively for BoxyCharm. It's their own 5-piece brush set. It's a branded 5-piece set. It was created to help you achieve a flawless look. These are synthetic. They're oval shaped, ultra soft luxury brushes, handcrafted and cruelty free. If you were to buy them on your own, they're $65.
Okay,
sometimes I like a good synthetic brush just because it's easier to wash them. With the natural hair brushes, you wash them and then you kind of destroy them.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I appreciate a good synthetic. It's very
like, what would you do with this? It's too big for foundation.
Contour.
Like, I don't know.
I'd make contour with that.
I guess we'll see what happens.
Ooh, I see some more really good brands in here.
I'm really excited because Nikita Dragon, we actually got Dragon Beauty.
And here she is. If you want to see her picture, there she is. She's
Love her.
cute YouTuber.
This is her skin perfecting potion. It says shake well before use, and this is for dark circles,
Discoloration and blemishes, infused with light reflective mattifying powders to brighten and blur. There's also vitamin E, vitamin A, and it's just supposed to go light to full coverage.
and neither of us need this.
This is the colors, not us.
Well, it can be used on fair skin, but it's only if you have like a lot of blemishes. Like that is what it covers. Or if you have really bad like dark circles or even eye bags, it will cover it.
I see gift or giveaway coming up.
This is your channel, not my channel.
And Becca. We love Becca. Glow Gloss.
Oh, that's nice.
Illuminate your lips with a luxe conditioning lip color, provides shine and gloss, and it's a nourishing benefits of a balm. 3D light reflective as well. There's shea and Murmuru?
I've never heard of
Murmuru butters for soft, supple lips. MSRP on that, retail value, 22 bucks.
I have some of their lip glosses. They're really nice and hydrating, so I'll definitely be using this. And then
Nikita Dragon was 25, by the way, so that wasn't too bad.
This was $25,
Yep.
and you can only get this on her website right now. And then this is supposed to be the holy grail of Boxy Premium for why a lot of people were getting it. It's Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow Palette. Natasha Denona is a really prestigious brand that you get at Sephora.
$55 retail value. Oh, I like the package. Oh,
That's pretty. Oh, look at that. It has a little flip.
very nice.
So, just to show.
So it's a blush and glow palette. So really for highlighting and blush.
But yeah, it looks
And it says
pretty.
on there the glow side or glow blush.
So this is glow and this is
Glow.
so this is duo
Glow.
Glow Extreme, Glow Cream Base. Cream
So there's one blush. Or
There's
you could use the glow as blush. I would totally
That's
use
so
that side.
red.
You gonna swatch?
I mean, I'm curious. Oh wow.
Whoa.
Oh, this it's so red.
You'd have to try it with a brush.
Yeah, it definitely has to be. It's wet. Like when you touch it, it's so wet. Oh, I'm so fair. You can't really see the.
But again,
the
that's
second
just
one.
highlight. Little touch up here, little touch there, little touch in the nose.
But that's good because then it like matches my skin tone really good. So then it's gonna look really natural on my skin.
I think that'll be good for you. And then even people with darker complexions, that blush is probably normal.
Yeah, the blush, like anyone could use the dark red blush, and they can use everything else as a topper on top of it if they want to give it a little bit of shine.
There's something for everyone in there.
So yeah, that's
So
everything.
that's amazing. I think you got great products. And of course, hashtag Boxy Stellar for a chance to be featured. So we should hashtag this Boxy Stellar. Maybe they'll sponsor you or me.
It's your channel.
But I always have you along for the ride. So a little change going on in the BoxyCharm family. We now get to have the premium.
For now. For now. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna keep it for November and December, and then once December comes, I'm gonna decide, is it worth it? Or should we cancel it? Do we only need the original and luxe, or do we need all of it?
Yeah, it's a whole lot of, this house is
'cause if you think
overflowing
about it,
in product.
Every single month you get at least 5 pieces of makeup. That's like what, 60 a year? Oh, it's over 60.
Would you seriously buy that if you, before subscription boxes came, remember we would be like pained to go buy a $30 thing of powder.
I know.
And now it's nothing.
But I'm seeing it accumulate in my bathroom finally. And
Yeah.
I'm like, how much more can I have?
Yeah.
So we'll see if this is worth it, because I do love the original. I mean, I'll use everything for the most part, but we'll see if this is actually worth to keep. But for now, it's
For
awesome.
now, I think we're gonna give BoxyCharm regular and premium, the Terry buys stuff, big thumbs up.
Yes.
Hey, if you like us, give us the big thumbs up. Hit hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and you'll be notified of the next round of shopping fun that happens here on this channel. We love you that you're here today with us, right?
Oh yeah.
So much love.
And tell us what you want us to do next. What do you want us to review? What do you want to see?
I want to see that $150 eye cream. You better look like you're just born.
My skin's already perfect. How much can I
do? Well, guys, leave a comment for Amanda in the comments below. If you have any questions about BoxyCharm, we're going to put her code in the description and also let you know what these products are. And it's that easy. Thanks so much for joining me today.
You're welcome.
I love always seeing your BoxyCharm. I didn't really see anything I wanted to steal this time, but I'm sure I'll get something in the end, so. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next round. Till then,
bye.
Bye.